What does a giraffe say, Corbin? What does an elephant say? What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does a doggy say?
Woo, woo, woo.
Good job. What does a giraffe say again?
Roar.
What does a daddy say? What's a mommy say?
No, no, no.
What does a Corbin say? What's a Corbin say? What does a sheep say? What does a horse say?
Nicely. Say it nicely.
What does a horse say?
Good boy.
What does a snake say? What does a rooster say?
I could do.
What does an owl say?
Ooh, ooh.
What's a car say?
Do, do, do.
What does a fire truck say?
Wee, woo, wee, woo.
What does a duck say?
Duck, duck.
What's a frog say?
Gabby, gabby.
What does a giraffe say?
Roar.
What's a marley say?
Woo, woo, woo.
Good job. What does grandma say? What's your favorite animal?
The predator.
Really? Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.